Welcome to the best picks. The best Play-Doh scissors is probably one of the most underrated toys for young children. These simple tools can unlock a world of creativity and learning. In this video, we're diving into the wonderful world of Play-Doh scissors, exploring how they can boost your child's fine motor skills, introduce them to shapes and textures, and, most importantly, provide hours of fun. We'll look at the best options available, so you can make an informed choice for your little ones. Number 5. Crayola Toddler Safety Scissors, 3-pack. These are designed for safe and fun paper cutting. They are perfect for toddlers and young children, ensuring a worry-free crafting experience. This set comes with straight, wavy, and zigzag blades. It allows kids to explore different cutting patterns, making art projects more exciting. With plastic blades and rounded tips, these scissors are ideal for classroom use. They are designed to be safe for little hands. The ergonomically designed handles fit comfortably in small hands. They are suitable for both left and right-handed children, making them easy to use. These scissors are ideal for creative projects, allowing toddlers to express their artistry. It's a great way for them to develop their fine motor skills. Constructed from high-quality, child-safe materials, these scissors are built to last. They can withstand frequent use, providing long-lasting value. Suitable for ages 3 and up, these scissors make a great gift. It's a perfect present for kids and toddlers who love to create. What we like? These scissors are designed with a blunt tip for safety. They offer straight, wavy, and zigzag cutting styles. If you are looking for a safe and versatile option for your toddler's art projects, this is a great choice. The ergonomic design makes it easy for both left and right-handed kids to use. What people say? It works on hard, stiff paper, not so much on thin paper, but as long as it cuts on something, it's fine. These are lightweight and the colors are nice with different cutting patterns. Size is good for small hands. These scissors are great for a toddler just learning how to cut. They are lightweight and easy to hold for my daughter. There is also no way for them to cut themselves. There is no blade, just plastic, not sharp, but I was able to cut through cardboard. They are a fun, bright color with 3 different shapes to cut out with the scissors. The small size is great for little toddler hands, and the plastic and quality makes me feel comfortable that my toddler won't get hurt using them. They do not have sharp blades, so they are safe for young kids. The light plastic material used is great for toddlers. Number 4. Kilpkonn Dough Tools Kit, Party Pack. This amazing kit comes with 42 pieces of dough accessories. It includes molds, shapes, scissors, and a rolling pin. It's perfect for sparking imagination. Designed for both boys and girls, this party pack provides hours of entertainment. They can create anything they imagine with the tools provided. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity. With various molds and shapes, the possibilities are endless. Kids can explore different designs and textures. This set is a great way to develop fine motor skills. The included storage bag makes cleanup and organization a breeze. Everything has its place, making it easy to store the tools. It's convenient for both parents and kids. This dough tools kit is an ideal gift for any occasion. It's a fun and engaging toy that kids will love. It's a great way to keep them entertained. What we like? This kit includes a wide variety of accessories, including molds and shapes. It also comes with a convenient storage bag. If you want a comprehensive Play-Doh set with lots of options for creative play and easy storage, consider this one. It's perfect for group activities. What people say? The tools are made of durable, child-safe materials, ensuring both safety and longevity. The set includes items like rollers, stamps, cutters, and molds, which allow kids to create detailed shapes and textures. Easy to clean and perfect size for little hands. The little mat is a nice addition and all the options keep my toddler busy. Number 3. Play-Doh Tools for Kids. This amazing set is perfect for sparking your child's imagination. It comes with a variety of tools, allowing them to create all sorts of fun shapes and designs. With 48 pieces, there's plenty to share with friends or keep the fun going for hours. It includes molds, scissors, and cookie cutters, offering endless possibilities. Designed with toddlers and preschoolers in mind, this playset is safe and easy to use. It's a great way to encourage artistic expression and fine motor skills. Looking for a fun party favor? This Play-Doh set is a fantastic choice. It's a gift that kids will love and enjoy playing with for a long time. It's more than just a toy, it's a tool for learning and development. This set helps children explore their creativity while having a blast. What we like. This set offers a large number of tools and accessories. It's designed as a party favor pack, making it ideal for sharing. If you're planning a playdate or party and need a set that provides plenty of options for multiple children, this is a great choice. What people say. Once his grandpa helped him with the initial setup, this kept our little one quietly occupied, intently creating numerous molds with the various cutouts. He particularly enjoyed using the roller pin and scissors, which are perfectly sized and designed for his small hands, fingers and strength, required to flatten the dough prior to using the molds for cutouts. I love how many different shapes there are. It kept my 3- and 4-year-old involved look enough to clean my kitchen, living room and dining room. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Modeling Dough Kit. This Melissa and Doug kit is perfect for young artists. It comes with colorful dough and tools to create amazing shapes. It's a fun way to spark imagination. The kit includes 4 vibrant dough colors. There are also pattern wheels, scissors, and cutters. This set provides everything needed for hours of fun. With the included tools, kids can explore different patterns. They can also experiment with textures. This helps them learn while they play. Each lid features adorable molds. These molds add extra fun to the play experience. It encourages kids to create and explore. This kit is great for color and pattern recognition. It encourages imaginative play and creativity. It's a perfect gift for kids aged 3 and up. What we like. This kit features sturdy wooden tools and includes modeling dough. It encourages imaginative play and creativity. If you like a set with high-quality tools and want to inspire your child's artistic side, you should consider this one. The molds on the lids add extra fun. What people say. All the tools are made well and function as they should. I was very excited to see the scissors work so well, and my toddler was able to use them with his smaller hands. This is a wonderful way to teach young kids to use scissors. It comes with 2 scissors and they won't cut anything besides the clay, which is a win for me. Number 1. Play-Doh Tools Kit for Kids. This Play-Doh Tools set includes 12 pieces with easy-to-grip handles. It features extruders, scissors, and basic tools in random colors. They help kids explore colors and develop their physical and thinking skills. These tools allow toddlers to practice hand-eye coordination and patience. They also help develop hands-on abilities, encourage teamwork, and spark imagination. The shapes and tools extend playtime and inspire creativity. The tools are made of durable, non-toxic, and eco-friendly ABS plastic. The obtuse angle design ensures safety for children. It's a great gift for toddlers, kids, girls, and boys. These clay play tools help toddlers enrich their imagination and develop creativity. They also promote coordination and collaboration, perfect for group activities at home or in classrooms. Shape, cut, roll, and extrude with these tools to enrich a child's imagination. Kids can also enhance their social and self-expression skills while playing. It's best for children aged 3 and up. What we like. This set includes dough extruders and a variety of tools. It's made from non-toxic, safe materials. If you want a set that offers unique tools and is safe for your child, this is a great option. It's designed to enrich imagination and develop creativity. What people say. The scissors are great for little ones to learn to use them without getting cut. The items clean easy. Especially the worm makers. A lot of times Play-Doh gets stuck in them, but with this set they don't. The Play-Doh come out easily. They are colorful, which is also fun for little ones. The perfect size for little hands, or adults playing them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.